When first starting to deal with data, there are many tools, skill sets to consider, and if you are unfamiliar with them, selecting the right one for you can be difficult. That is why I am here to familiarize you with tools that you need to learn about. First of all, we should be familiarized with the analysis tools, and for that we can use Python, MATLAB, R, or SQL. After that, we should be familiarized with the statistical concepts, because statistics we use to ensure the quality of the data, and if there is any redundancies with the data, we can clean it up using statistical techniques. The third and the most important one is the machine learning algorithms. We feed the clean data to the machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms learn the pattern from the data and give us prediction. The next important tools are the visualization tools. For that, we can use Tableau or Power BI, by which we can create very interactive dashboards and we can present the data in a very interactive manner. And the last but not the least is the deployment part. Once we have trained the algorithm, then we have to serve it to the customer. For that, we should know how to create front end, how to create back end, and how we can serve and how we can make the trained algorithm work in the real environment. While expertise with tools and computer language is beneficial, it is not defining characteristic of a data scientist. And that is why we at Learnbay give you exactly what is relevant, the skill that you need. Enroll in our data science program today. Thank you so much.